Jai Hind everyone, I am Abhimanyu Pratap Singh Chauhan. Today I came with the next video. My today's topic is we will discuss about how to deal with the failures. If we want to achieve our goal, then it is not mandatory that we will nail it in our first attempt or first try. So whenever we want to achieve our goal, then there are some hurdles which come in our life, which might be failure, which might be any setback, which might be our past. There might be any kind of problem which can come in our life. So how to deal with that? What are the most important studies, or which are the most important strategies? By following that, we will be able to overcome from our failure, along with this our past. So any negative problem which is coming in our life, so how to deal with that? So gentlemen, if you are going to achieve something, then it is mandatory that you might fail at some level. You might fail at level. You might not be able to do something in a proper manner. So what then next? So gentlemen, you don't have to lose your hope, because failures are only the part of your success. These are not opposite to each other. Both are parallel. Both are, we can say, mandatory for us, because a success can never ever give you a lesson to get a new thing. But whenever you will fail, then you will learn hundreds of things, and those hundreds of things will help you to achieve another 100 problems. So it means whenever you fail somewhere, then you are preparing to achieve hundreds of things. So we don't have to lose our hope that we are failed. No, we failed because we have to achieve hundreds of things. So failures are not negative. Failures are the opportunities to grab another things. I'm going to pause. There is some collision. Okay. So we were discussing about failure. Now actually people think that getting failure is a kind of setback for our life. No. The problem is where when you don't take a lesson from your failure. You got a failure and you didn't take lesson from there, then it is your problem. Then you are a complete failed man, because the time when you pause yourself to take lesson from any problem, that is the problematic situation for you. While failing somewhere is not a problem, but not taking the lesson from there or any situation is a kind of problem. So be failed not at the same point, and do mistakes because of which you got failed. So do mistakes, but don't alliterate your mistakes. First of all, you committed that mistake. You committed that mistake. So in your whole life, try to not repeat those mistakes, because a man fail because he starts repeating his problems. He does not rectify those problems. So first of all, we all have to get that which are our mistakes because of which we are failing, and then we all have to work on our mistakes. As we will be able to do something on our mistakes, then any problem which will come in our life, we will be able to overcome from that. So gentlemen, we don't have to be worried. I am not motivational speaker. The thing which I have experienced in my life, those experiences I share to you. I have no any notebook, I have no any preparation. I just start recording video and just speak whatever comes in my mind. I just start talking with you and just share my internal soul, which I feel that says used to be done by me. So at the last, I will conclude my video. Don't be worried. Don't be tensed. The things which are happening in your life, this is mandatory to happen. Just, it is mandatory to happen. Just observe that. And the thing, the place, the situation that you are lacking, you have to work on there. Just work. Don't think about that. Just work on that situation and try to make it better. Gradually, when you will start making like this, then finally you will be able to realize that you have worked a very good charm in your life. You don't need to be worried about that. You just have to focus to solve that problem, not to think about the problem. People start thinking about that problem, that this problem is in our life. That can be your breakup, that can be your failure, that can be your laziness, that can be your depression. There are a lot of problems which come in our life. So we all have to overcome from that, and that can be done by bounce back. So we all have to take a bounce back by realizing that where I got stuck and how could I got stuck in a certain field or problem. So we all have to rectify our problem, and then we all have to try to solve that, not just to lay down over there. I hope you could get a good information from my video. If you are getting good information from my video, then you all have to subscribe to my channel. Along with this, you should hit the like button. And some people ask to me that because we are living in India and just I record videos in English, why so? So first of all thing, I just want to make my English at that epitome. This is the first reason. Second reason, whenever you will watch my video, I think that you will be able to also work on your English, and you could be able to strong your English also. So these are some components because of which I record the video in English, while I love in my mother tongue, that is Hindi, but I like to make our English strong. So that's why I try to record in that language. I hope you could get a good information from my video. At the last, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Radhe Radhe.